In school, we learned that the maximum rainfall occurs in a place called Cherrapunji in Meghalaya state. I wanted to go and stand under that kind of rain, but I could not. Later, when I was working in Mumbai, one day I happened to read this news in a local newspaper, which said that the maximum rainfall now occurs in a place called Patharpunj in Satara and not in Cherrapunji. I was happy because I don't need to go up to Cherrapunji to see this kind of rain. And this kind of rain has come near to Mumbai in Satara district. I just need to go from Mumbai to Satara. Later, I thought climate change is so powerful. It has the power to strip an attribute of something in East India and bring it all the way across to West India. And if we let this happen, in another 10-20 years, we can see some of India's rain going to West Asia or Middle East or Africa. We need to do something to slow this climate change. Separately, I have noticed that restrooms, public toilets are over illuminated with lights sometimes. Why do we need so many lights in a place where we go for relieving ourselves? Night lights, street lights, boundary lights are seen on well after sunrise sometimes. What is the connection here? All electric power we use is either generated by burning of coal or nuclear fuel or by the force of water. Luckily, we have increasing quantities of solar power being generated, but the but the big majority of power we use still comes from the non-renewable sources of energy, like coal, nuclear fuel, and the force of water. So when we use a device and leave it on and go away, this device still keeps using electricity, and that electricity also consumes either coal or fuel or water, and that generation of electricity by coal burning or nuclear fuel burning keeps generating greenhouse gases and accelerates climate change. Believe in your power of one. Switch off as you go and use electricity only when you need them. By doing this, in small ways, we can contribute to slowing climate change. Believe in your power of one, and we can prevent the rains from going away.